So the Nasdaq's been a bit all over the place over the last few weeks. In my last video, I was talking about how the Nasdaq could head towards 13,000 level. This hasn't quite happened, actually. In fact, I'm quite disappointed. Let's dive into the charts and have a look at what's happened and where it might be going next. So here we are looking at the Nasdaq chart once again, and we've got the market sort of the place here. Actually, I mean, the last time I analyzed this was when Nasdaq was around here, and it did start moving up nice and strong. But then we suddenly swung back down, which was actually not quite what I expected. And we've just got this whole state of confused market going on at the moment. It's difficult to tell. It's difficult to tell if we are going to actually push up to the 30,000 level again or not. Looking at how things are at the moment, but I'd be a bit more biased to the upside on the market for now. I know we've had things like the SVB Bank and a few others coming out saying that they're going bust and so forth, but I don't think that's going to sort of send ripples through the markets just yet. I think this is more like a trailer of what's yet to come. But for the time being, I would still be looking for buy opportunities on the Nasdaq. I do want to see this go to 13,000, and I think there's still a good chance that we're going to see Nasdaq go to 13,000. If the Nasdaq sort of breaks this recent low around the 11,700-ish level, then we might need to change our stance and look on the downside. But until that sort of happens, I'm going to still be looking on the upside. Once we get to 13,000, if we do, then that's where we're looking for looking for some shorts for the medium term. So for now, what I'm looking for is some opportunities to sort of jump into the Nasdaq on the buy side. So there you go, guys. That's my take on the market. If you are looking to trade this, you're going to need my precise trade ideas. On a regular basis, as the price moves according to my forecast, I give out trade signals, or you might call them forex signals, where I give you exact prices to enter, exact prices to take profit, and exact levels to take stop loss if things go wrong. So go ahead and join my forex signal service and get all my trade ideas. Jump onto my website. I'll leave a link in the description below and sign up and get my trade ideas today.